Hi guys, I am playing Don't Press the Button and let's see what's gonna happen. They're gonna press the button. Oh, running dodge heads. Run, don't get hit. Okay, there's no more dodge heads, so what's now? We're going to memorize the notes. That was hard, but that was easy as well. You got to memorize it. It's fine. So I've just done that. Now find the correct key for the door. I've got to find the key. Key. What about the second one in here? Oh, people took that. We've got to find it. We have 39. We have 30 seconds. Is there any more keys in here? They keep failing, so let's see if this will work. Yay, we got out. Okay, now let's go to this one. What's this? Got to hit the opposite team with a dodgeball. They got me. It's too hard. Can I climb over? Nope. Okay, let's see the teams. Okay. Some people say it's between 1v1. Okay. Still 1v1. Can't hit each other. They still can't get each other. Well, he jumped. Let's see, we only have 70 seconds till it's going to be finished. So they got to act quick. They got to be quick. Okay, you're gonna get hit. When you can get him. Oh, you nearly got him. Get him. Come on, get him. Yay! Red team won. I don't know what team I was again. I don't remember. So we have to, it's like red light, green light. Green light. Red light. Or I stop. Green light. Come on, green light. Now red light. Green light. Green light. Come on, green light. Red light. Gonna let me walk, I think. Don't know. But now let's do another round. Oh, this again. 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 3. So, yeah. Let's pop the bubble wrap. I like the work. The put them on. I need a coin. Everyone's stealing the bomb. Okay. Now, this is the last round before I'm going to stop the video, and yeah. Remember to like and subscribe and ring the bell to know when we have a new video. So let's go through all the rings. I'm over here. That was the last ring. So now it's going to be the end. So remember to like and subscribe and ring the bell. So bye.